Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. After watching this video, you will be able to crochet a lot of butterflies in only 5 minutes. In this tutorial, I want to show you the easiest way to crochet a mini butterfly. You don't need any magic ring to crochet it, and this tutorial is for absolute beginners. You only need less than 5 minutes to crochet this butterfly. If you like these easy and fast crochet projects, please hit that like button. It lets me know you want more projects like this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're not gonna miss the future videos. Let's start crocheting. This is my 3mm hook, and this is the yarn I want to use. First of all, I want to show you how to make one slip knot. To make the slip knot, you don't need your hook. I want to use my index finger, make an X shape here, and you need to do this. So this is one slip knot. This is the short tail, this is the loop, and this is the working tail. Now I want to insert my hook inside of this loop, like this. Now hold the knot and pull the working tail. Don't pull it too much, your hook needs to move inside of this loop. Now I want to tell you how to hold the hook and the working tail. To hold the hook, you can hold it like a pencil, like this, or just hold it the way I do. I want to hold the knot and the short tail with my thumb and middle finger, like this, and I just want to hold the working tail with my index finger. It needs to move inside of this finger, like this. Okay, now I want to show you how to chain. To chain, first you need to learn how to yarn over. To yarn over, first take your hook to down, then behind of this working tail, and twist your hook and grab the working tail. Let me show you again. First down, behind, twist your hook and grab the working tail. To chain, I need to pull this tail through this loop, just like that. We call this one chain. You see this V shape here? Each chain looks like a V. Again, I want to chain one more. So down, behind, twist your hook, grab it, and pull it through. You see, now I'm holding the first chain with my thumb and middle finger. And now I want to hold the second chain, like this. I want to chain 7. Now I have 2 chains. Again, yarn over, 3, again 4, 5, 6, and number 7. Now I have 7 chains, and to count the chains, you need to count the V shapes. Do you see them here? Yeah, that's good. Now I want to tell you how to undo one chain. So I want to chain more if you accidentally chained more, and now I have 8 chains. So first I want to take out my hook like this and pull the working tail like that. This is how we undo one chain. Insert your hook again inside of this loop. Okay. So now we have 7 chains. Now I want to show you how to make one slip stitch. I want to make one slip stitch inside of the very first chain that I made. So I want to insert my hook inside of the chain, and this is one loop of the chain on my hook. Now yarn over and pull through the chain. You see, now I have 2 loops on my hook. I want to pull this loop through this one. So grab it and pull it through the loop. you need to pull it to make this slip stitch tight. Now I have two loops here. This is the big one and this is the little one. I want to insert my hook inside of the big one like this. Yarn over and grab the yarn and pull it through. Now again I have two loops on my hook. Again I want to make another slip stitch, so grab the slip and pull it through. Again pull it to make it tight. Now I have one big loop. Now I want to chain 4, so yarn over 1, yarn over 2, 3, and number 4. After 4 chains here, I want to show you how to make a treble crochet. To make the treble crochet, you need to yarn over twice. So this is one time. Again, this is the second time. You see now I have 3 loops on my hook. Now I want to hold them with my thumb and index finger, and I want to insert my hook inside of the big loop, yarn over and pull through the big loop. Now you must have 4 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you must have 3 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now again I have 2 loops on my hook. Again, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. You see, this is one treble crochet and these are the 4 chains. Again, inside of the big loop, I want to make another treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now I made 2 treble crochets here. Do you see this tail here? It's right there. I want to make 3 treble crochets before this tail. You see them? Now I have 2. I need 1 more, so yarn over twice, insert your hook, make 4 chains, again, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now I have 3 treble crochets here. I want to make the next one after this tail, like this. Yarn over twice, hold it right there, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 4 loops again, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now I have 4 treble crochets here, and these are the 4 chains. Again, I want to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I want to insert my hook inside of the big loop, yarn over and pull through again. You see, I made 1 slip stitch here. After the 4 chains, I want to chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. After 3 chains, I want to make 3 double crochets inside of the slip. So to make the double crochets, you need to yarn over only 1 time, insert your hook inside of the big loop, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again pull through 2 loops. You need to pull through 2 times. Now let me move it to here. Yeah, good. This is 1 double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert your hook inside of the big loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. 2 double crochets, again, 3 double crochets. After 3 double crochets, again, I want to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Make one slip stitch inside of the big loop. Okay, one slip stitch. Okay, so after the slip stitch, again, I want to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now I want to make 3 double crochets again inside of the big loop. So yarn over, 1 double crochet, again yarn over, 2 double crochets, again yarn over, and 3 double crochets. After 3 double crochets, I want to chain 3. So yarn over, 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook inside of this loop, yarn over and pull through, and make one slip stitch again. Okay. So after one slip stitch, again, I want to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. After the 4 chains, I want to make 4 treble crochets inside of this big loop. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So this is 1 treble crochet. I need 3 more. So yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3. Again, yarn over twice, 1, 2, and 3. Again, yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3. Now I have 4 treble crochets here. I want to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Inside of this loop, I want to make one slip stitch. Okay, like this. Pull it to make it tight. Now I want to pull the yarn just like that. I want a long tail here. Now I want to cut the yarn. Again, pull it to bring it out, like this. Now the butterfly looks like this. Before finishing the butterfly, I want to tell you, after this video, you will be able to crochet mini jellyfish octopus. You can see the video in here or here, and don't forget to ask me your questions. Now you must have 2 tails here. One of them is shorter than the other one. I'm going to use the long tail and do this. You see it? You need to do it a few times. Just like that. Yeah. Now I want to bring this tail to here. And I want to use my hook. So grab the tail and pull it through. Just like this. Now I want to tie knot 3 times in here. Like that. One more. Now you can cut the tails. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Just don't forget it. Practicing is the key to success. See you in the next video, guys.